I'm sexy and I know it.
And when we get together, turning down the lights. Need you 100. Need you 100%.
Guys, we're the CACI brothers and sisters. Yes, what's good? My name is Mikahl. And I'm Peyton.
And I'm Gavin.
And we are the CACI family. Yes. You guys really enjoyed Gavin in our videos, so we decided today we're gonna have him do her makeup. He knows nothing about makeup, do you?
No, not a single.
I'm scared when he pokes my eye out. You don't know what you do with this?
You like put the little like poofy thing, this brush.
The poofy thing.
You put this brush thing and you dap it on the face.
Well, this is gonna be fun, so stay tuned and watch him do my makeup. I was gonna be instructing him. That was weird, you just did what I did. I know we both did it at the same time. I just want to say before we start this video, look at how cute these necklaces guys are. Look at, so cute. Mine is a gun, and then we both have the locket. And then these are from Girls Crew, so if you guys want to go check them out, we'll leave a link down below. And use our referral code. It's CACI Twins 20, so make sure you guys use that. And let's just get into this video. Alright, so I'm gonna help you out. I just want you to guess real quick. Oh, I have to find mine.
What do I start with?
Okay, you're gonna start with foundation. So use this one.
So,
and then
roll my sleeves?
Yeah, roll your sleeves. Then use this brush.
What do I do?
You're just gonna dab it on her face. Just try and guess, and I'll help you out while you go.
So do I like put this on the brush?
I'll tell you when to stop. Okay, a little bit more.
Damn! This is like painting your face.
Cake face girl. Alright, that's good.
That's good?
Yeah, imagine this is what girls put on their face.
Yeah.
Way more than that.
Damn. Where do I put it?
Just all over the face. Just paint it like a painting. Why so soft?
Because I don't know what to do.
Ow! And you have crust everywhere. Damn, you should tell me about on lotion. You should have. You can just do it everywhere.
No.
Yeah, you're supposed to.
I don't know what to do.
Like paint it hard. You can do it hard.
Okay.
Yeah, see how it's coming on better when you do it harder? Would you prefer girls with more makeup or less?
Less. For sure.
You like natural?
Yeah.
Every guy I talk to says, I want a girl more natural.
Because that's what we don't want, to have makeup all over our clothes and
okay, but what if they look good without makeup but they still wear a lot of makeup?
Well, then they can wear makeup, but I mean, if they look good without makeup, why do they need that much makeup?
I don't know. Make sure you cover my blemishes and make sure to blend it in. That's blush, and then use this brush. You do it on the cheeks. Or just try and guess wherever you put it.
On the cheeks?
Yeah, just guess.
Like where though?
Why
like
that blush? Just guess.
Do I just rub this in?
Yeah, just rub it in. And then put it on the cheeks.
Do I just dab it?
Just guess.
Do I?
Just do whatever. I'm gonna be looking like a clown.
I don't know what to do. You guys you're not instructing me. That's what you're supposed to do. You got these rosy cheeks. You look like Santa.
What did you put it? You put it on like this. You did a big circle like always do that when he's dabbing it like this.
I don't know what to do. Do I do more or no?
No.
Right,
now you're gonna do highlighter. Just guess where my head. Okay, look at my highlighter and try and guess where your highlighter goes. So use this on this. Probably doesn't.
I don't know. I can't tell.
Just guess. There you go. No! Not under my eyes.
He
does your eyes.
Bruh. Come here. Oh yeah, you got these puffy cheeks now.
You're puffy. He thinks they make him puffy?
Yeah, look at how big they are now. They make her look like a
Now you're gonna dot it on the nose. Okay, now you're gonna draw her eyebrows.
Oh.
No. Yeah, ain't nobody drawing my eyebrows. Okay, just fill them in. You gotta fill them in. Just use this and paint her eyebrows.
Hey.
I don't do this ever. Okay, but you're trying to make it look like me. You're doing my head. You're doing my makeup.
Come here. I didn't even get any, did I?
Yeah, you definitely did. Yeah, you did.
I don't even feel it. Girl, you look gorgeous.
Girl, you look gorgeous.
Good?
Okay, and then you're gonna brush them out.
With this?
Yeah, the brush. He's gonna be doing his girlfriend's makeup now. Imagine if you had a boyfriend that did awesome makeup. That would be cool. I know, he does your makeup every day. Be a little sus though. Yeah, that'd be a little weird. Ew, what are you combing them like that for?
Cuz, look at your eyebrows.
Now you're gonna do, let's see.
They look better than mine.
Eyeshadow. Okay, you can pick whatever color you want. What about contouring me? Yeah, you'll do the contour after. Pick whatever color you want to do on your eyes. You have to have 3 layers.
Like eyeshadow?
Yeah, you can do 3 layers.
So like on like the top of her eyes?
Yeah, so let me give you other brushes.
Any color I want?
Yeah.
What color you feeling, huh?
You pick.
I pick?
Yes.
Oh no, tickle me?
You want tickle me or can patootie?
Finger
Okay, so you're gonna pick a light color first. And
like
then
a light?
Yeah, do whatever light color you want, and then you're gonna do... Like ombre, pick from light to dark. Just make it like ombre.
Let's go poodle.
I'm not even gonna look what color. I'm just staring right at you guys. Comment down below if you guys like my makeup already.
Poodle, close your eyes. Do I just dab it on there?
Yeah.
Like
dab on the eyelid, just on the eyelid, the small part. Yeah. Ow!
Like just
no, just line it with
at the top?
pencil. With the pencil,
at
all
the bottom
around.
and the top?
Yeah, just the bottom.
Damn. How much of it?
Just where it lines it.
I missed.
He does it in a straight line like a cat's mouth. That's like great.
I've never done this before.
The fact that he has structure with it, like you're teaching him and he still doesn't know, and he's like trying his best, thinking it's gonna look bomb. Then put this lipstick on her.
Oh yeah.
Imagine if he told him with blush.
Like full lips?
Uh-huh.
I missed. Don't move! Good girl.
Yeah, good girl. I was like cricket. Like a cricket.
Let me see. You look like Miranda.
Miranda sings. Okay, now you're gonna do the highlighter. I meant the highlight. Contour. So you're gonna do it like this. Grab any dark color you want and do it just right here. Suck your cheek in, yeah, where the line is from the cheeks. Do you need my jawline or my cheek?
Your cheek.
You need more for that side. He does like the whole makeup. No! Look at me. I don't even know what I look like.
You look like you got a beard.
I don't even know what I look like. I know. That's smooth it in and go like this.
With that one?
Yeah. Oh my god, dude. I poke my eye out. Just like this and
like,
I'm scared of her. Comb her eyelashes.
I'm kind of scared.
Me too. Why is that scary?
Because this is like, I could just
poke
really
my
put
eye
some
out.
black in her eye. Oh.
In her eye.
Do I gotta get in front of her? Like, don't move. I
Here,
can't
you
do it
that.
like
I'll clean up
this.
this. Trust me, I'm not gonna move.
Don't move.
Ah!
Don't move. I'm scared.
Ah, you're really... How would I just close my eyes? He's trying to comb it.
What do I do with it?
Comb it. Just comb it like you would comb your eyelashes with a brush.
I don't comb my eyelashes.
You don't... Oh! Okay, give me... He did it where it looks like you have black eyes underneath. Let me see it. Ready? Ready? 3, 2, 1. Here it over.
Is it done?
Yeah. What is this? What do you call this? A man.
A clown.
A clown.
Tranny.
You think it looks similar? It's on my
To you?
To my face makeup.
No.
No.
Maybe a little bit, but not
A little bit. Well, that is the end of our makeup routine by Gavin
Oh,
CACI.
jeez.
If you guys want your makeup done, hit him up. Hit his line.
Oh, yeah.
His Instagram's Gavin CACI.
Newest makeup artist.
Yes, he's bomb. We'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.
Bye.